Listen, listen, listen to the dreamy music playing.
It's reminiscent, listen what you're missing, the tune
that keeps me swaying. Gee, but that music sounds so sweet.
I can't keep still, Henry, upon my feet.
'Cause ragtime music to me is such a perfect treat.
Yes, it certainly can't be beat nowadays.
At a ball, you're feeling kind of blue.
That's true, Harry.
Just listen and I'll tell you what to do.
What is it, Will?
Commence advancing, commence advancing. Just start a prancing, right and left a glancing. A moochie dancing, slide and glide and trancing. You do the tango jiggle with the Texas Tommy wiggle. Take your partner and hold her, lightly enfold her. A little bolder, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers one and all. In the hall and so bold, that's all. My baby.
Boom, 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 boom.
Commence advancing, commence advancing. Just start a prancing, right and left a glancing. A moochie dancing, slide and glide and trancing.
You do the tangle wiggle with the Texas Tommy jiggle.
Take your partner and hold her, lightly enfold her. A little bolder, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers one and all. In the hall and the ball, that's all.
Boom, 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 boom.
Yep.
Who do you suppose I saw this morning, Harry?
Well, I have no idea. Who was it, Harry?
Mr. Rockefeller.
Oh, John D. Rockefeller? Well, I'd love to have seen him. He's an old friend of mine. In fact, I've known John Rockefeller for many, many years. I knew Rockefeller when he only had 1 barrel of oil. And now he controls the entire output of oil for the United States. Now, there's Andrew Carnegie. Do you know Andrew Carnegie, Harry?
Well, he spoke to me once.
He spoke to you. What did he say?
He told me to get out of the road.
Oh, well, Andrew Carnegie's another old friend of mine. I've known for years and years. In fact, I knew Andrew Carnegie when he only had 1 piece of steel. And now he controls the entire output of steel for the United States. Now, let's see, there's...
No.
What's the matter?
You're going to tell me you knew Heinz when he had 1 pickle.
Oh, well, maybe so. Commence advancing, commence advancing. Just start a prancing, right and left a glancing. A moochie dancing, slide and glide and trancing.
You do the tango wiggle with the Texas Tommy jiggle.
Take your partner and hold her, lightly enfold her. A little bolder, just work your shoulders, snap your fingers one and all. In the hall at the ball, that's all. Yep.
My mother always told me that I had a splendid voice. In fact, I'd sing in opera if they'd give me my choice. I wrote to Oscar Hammerstein that I would be his star. He said, come down and sing for me, and I'll see how good you are. And I don't suppose I'll do it again for months and months and months. No, I don't suppose I'll do it again for months and months and months. I sang the wise old owl, and he left the room at once. So I don't suppose I'll do it again for months and months and months. A lady friend of mine one day thought it would be a joke to walk into a restaurant and have a little smoke. She smoked a little cigarette just like a suffragette. Then all the papers roasted her, and they haven't stopped as yet. But I don't suppose she'll smoke again for months and months and months. No, I don't suppose she'll smoke again for months and months and months. If she really wants to smoke, she should try a pipe just once. Then I don't believe she'd do it again for months and months and months. One day an aviator took out his aeroplane and flew from New York town to Philadelphia like a train. And when those Philadelphians saw him, they set up a wail, for they thought that he must really be old Halley's Comet Tail. And they won't know who it really was for months and months and months. No, they won't get wise to who it was for months and months and months. I bought an aeroplane myself, and I'm going to fly it once, but I may not get out of the hospital for months and months and months. Now all you married gentlemen should bless the hobbled skirt. I'll show you how to tame your wives if you are real alert. In case you come home late at night and wifey makes a roar, just pick her up and spread her out upon the parlor floor. And I don't think she'll get up again for months and months and months. No, I don't think she'll get up again for months and months and months. You can go back to your club and enjoy yourself for once, and your wife will stay just where she's put for months and months and months.